So welcome everyone to the Project Mercury Innovation Showcase for Cohort 9.
There's the old phrase, a ship is safest in port, but that's not what ships are built to do. How do you create a culture that truly knows they can fail?
There's several barriers when it comes to us being able to be our best self.
I liked that it wasn't just a technological solution. It was more human.
What we have now is a lot of efforts that are throwing, millions and millions of dollars to try to automate these things from a technological standpoint. And what we're really missing is using those digital links that we use nowadays that we take for granted to really do that communication.
I think you've accurately identified the problem and the fact that it's a policy problem, not a technology problem. So I commend you for that and not just focusing on it.
I work for French four-star. Whenever he needs classified information, I have to print it. That means I print it, I run to the printer, I log in, I confirm for the first time, I confirm for a second time that I'm sure that I want to print classified information. I wait, I receive the document, I run downstairs to the registry, wait until it's manually registered, and then move on. I could talk really for another 5 minutes as we got added new rules almost every month. I know this scheme looks more like a manual to the Maze skateboard, but in fact, it's our road to success towards duty to share.
The innovation ecosystem that relies heavily on who knows who and where, making it really difficult to achieve the SecDef's priority of success through teamwork.
Burnout is a serious issue in the healthcare field, particularly for Air Force medical providers who often face long hours, high-stress situations, and heavy workloads. So imagine a world where healthcare providers don't have to spend time during the visit or hours after a visit documenting. Instead, there's an option to use a system called Nuanced Dragon Ambient Experience that listens to the appointment and documents automatically.
Industry data shows that when just humans are involved in the packing operations, there is on average up to 25% more wasted space than when using digital technologies. Recent experimentation at Kadena Air Base demonstrated the status quo packing timeline of 100 units is roughly 96 hours, versus using LiDAR equipment, scanners, and software applications to reduce airman workload, resulting in the same equipment processing in just 12 hours. Sounds appealing, right?
You've now joined a community that's going to top out at over 300 CPIs across the Air Force, and they're across the globe right now.